Was an early morning yesterday. I was up before the dawn, and I really have enjoyed my stay, but I must be moving on. Like a king without a castle, like a queen without a throne, I'm an early morning lover, and I must be moving on. What you say is the undisputed truth, but I have to have things my own way to keep me in my youth. Like a ship without an anchor, like a slave without a chain, just the thought of those sweet ladies sends a shiver through my veins. But I'm the one shining, shining like brand new. I never look behind me, my troubles will be few.
Goodbye, stranger, it's been nice. Hope you'll find your paradise. Try to see all of you. Hope your dreams will all come true. Goodbye, Mary. Goodbye, Jane. Will we ever see again? Feel no sorrow, feel no shame. Come tomorrow, feel no pain.
Sweet devotion, not for me, just keep the motion, set me free. Of the land of the ocean, far away, is the life I've chosen every day. So goodbye, Mary, goodbye, Jane, we'll meet again. There's something they do and something they don't. There's something you just can't tell. There's something they will and something they won't. And someone's just as bad. You can laugh at my behavior, that'll never bother me. See, the devil is my savior, but I don't pay no heed. And I'm going shining, shining like brand new. And never look behind me, my trouble